Wildfires are a natural part of California's ecosystem, but in recent years they've grown more intense, threatening both humans and wildlife across the state, including urban areas like Los Angeles. Have you ever wondered how animals survive such a fiery ordeal? In the face of danger, many animals rely on their instincts. Deer, for example, flee toward open spaces or water sources, using their speed to escape the flames. In the Los Angeles area, mule deer often navigate the urban wildland interface to find safety. Birds take to the skies, often flying miles away to find safety. Some species, like woodpeckers, even thrive in burnt forests, feeding on insects that emerge after the fire. In Los Angeles, hawks and owls may shift their hunting grounds to less affected areas. Small animals have a different strategy. Gophers, snakes, and other burrowing creatures retreat underground, where they're shielded from the heat and smoke. In urban areas, these animals may use landscaped parks and gardens as refuge. As predators adapt by scavenging. They take advantage of the disruption, finding food among the aftermath. In Los Angeles, coyotes are highly adaptable and may venture deeper into urban neighborhoods during wildfires. After the fire, the landscape begins to heal. This recovery brings new opportunities for wildlife, fresh plant growth attracts herbivores, and the cycle of life continues. Even in Los Angeles, native vegetation in parks and reserves regenerates, providing vital resources for local species. After the fire, the landscape begins to heal. This recovery brings new opportunities for wildlife, fresh plant growth attracts herbivores, and the cycle of life continues. Even in Los Angeles, native vegetation in parks and reserves regenerates, providing vital resources for local species. But not all animals can escape. That's where rescue organizations step in, saving and rehabilitating injured wildlife. In Los Angeles, groups like the California Wildlife Center play a crucial role in aiding animals affected by fires. California's and Los Angeles's wildlife have evolved to coexist with fire. Yet, with climate change making wildfires more frequent and severe, their survival is becoming increasingly difficult.